Hey guys, once again, welcome back to the Great White North. Today, or this episode, because it might take me a couple days, we're going to get this engine out of here and, I don't know, put it on the shelf for now and slowly rebuild it and put it into another project in the future. But we got to get her out and we got to get the other one in, so I'm going to be crawling underneath today and taking off the drive shaft bolts and what else do I gotta do? Taking off the shifter linkage, pulling the motor mount bolts. I know there's more to do under there, I just don't remember. Once I crawl under there, I'll start hating my life and not wanting to do it again. You know what? I bet you 10 minutes in of doing it, I'll actually start enjoying it and be good again. But yep, we're gonna have fun with it today. The one thing I really don't want to do is crawl underneath there again, but that's okay. We'll get to it, we'll get it done, we'll make it quick, and we'll get this car back on the road. Alright guys, so we had a really good day yesterday. I got everything ready to pull it actually. I thought I was just going to get a little bit of work done underneath, but things went really well. I got everything else disconnected and everything ready to pull, and then I didn't want to pull her last night, so then I just started swapping everything over already. So got the hard pipes over, got a couple things, I don't know. So yeah, we're going to pull her out right now. We're going to get going, get her pulled out, and start taking everything else off that needs to get transferred over to the other engine. And hopefully in like, I don't know, maybe a week, maybe 2 weeks, we'll have this girl on the road and driving around, finding some other 300s ZXs to cruise around with and having some fun. So yeah, let's pull this engine. Here we go, boys.